Spearmint tea comes from the brood leaves of the spearmint plant. It is believed to have many health properties including freshening the breath, helping digestion, and reducing inflammation. Spearmint tea is smoother and is usually made from dried leaves or fresh leaves plucked from the plant and steeped in hot water. Unlike other major teas that tend to be caffeinated, there is no oxidation process involved. Let's look at the bountiful health benefits that come with spearmint tea. First one is digestion. Spearmint came out on top for helping the body deal with digestive issues. This gentle and smooth naturally sweet tea can help with everything from indigestion to bloating. Spearmint has a compound that inhibits contractions in the digestive tract, helping those muscles to stay relaxed. Second one is aid hormonal imbalance of women. For women who are struggling to balance out their hormones, drinking spearmint tea could be the treat you need. This fragrant and fresh plant steeped in hot water is believed to balance androgen levels, which can help with everything from polycystic ovary syndrome to reducing high levels of unwanted hair growth on the face, chest, and back, also known as hirsutism. Third, help with menstruation and period cramps. If you struggle with painful cramps and PMS symptoms that turn your world upside down, once again, spearmint tea could come to the rescue. Anything from the mint family is generally good at soothing the stomach, and spearmint is no exception. Fourth, fights bacterial infection. Toothpaste, chewing gum, mints, and breath fresheners. There's a reason why we associate spearmint with keeping our mouths bright and clean. Spearmint is brimming with antibacterial and antimicrobial properties which will kill off any nasties residing in your mouth. Next, improve memory. Spearmint tea could help to keep your mind sharp and your memory box full. Studies have shown that taking an extract of spearmint on a daily basis could help to keep thinking skills in older people at the top of their game. Next on the list, help reduce blood pressure. Keep your blood pressure low and your cardiovascular system in great shape by pouring yourself a cup of spearmint tea. This lovely leaf contains carvone, a compound that acts in similar ways to the ingredients found in high blood pressure meds. This compound is also thought to help reduce vessel contractions and can help cut down on high blood pressure issues. Next one is help reducing blood sugar. If you are looking to avoid sugar crashing or if you are dealing with diabetes, spearmint tea can be an awesome choice in helping you to maintain your health balance. Studies have shown that spearmint is significantly effective at lowering blood sugar levels. Next, helps to reduce stress. In Southeast Asia, spearmint is commonly used to help people reduce their stress levels and get a decent night's sleep. This is because spearmint is laced with menthol, an essential oil that can refresh the senses, calm the body, and promote gentle relaxation. Next, help with arthritis. Spearmint is believed to have effective pain-relieving properties and can help to ease stiffness in those with arthritis and knee issues. Last one is reduce bad breath. Sweeten your breath and keep your mouth clean and pristine with spearmint tea. For many decades we have been using spearmint to keep our oral health in tip-top shape, and spearmint with its menthol-rich properties and those much-needed antibacterial properties, is here to bring a boost of sweet brightness to our breath. Simple, naturally sweet, and caffeine-free, spearmint tea is a true treat for the body, mind, and soul. What are your thoughts on spearmint tea? Are you impressed by that zesty mint freshness, or do you prefer other tea types instead? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.